Don't do what?
Don't hit my mother.
Oh. I'm both of your mothers. But you're right, she shouldn't kick me. I don't think she knows what she's doing though. She was just moving around. She was excited to see you. Are you okay, Chloe? She's okay, Erin. Dada went for a walk. Iris is worried about you. Right? Hey. See, she's kicking me again. Oh, are you okay, Pumpkin?
Iris, you can't push me.
She didn't push you. She was just trying to touch you.
No, don't touch me, Iris. Don't push me right here.
Oh, did it hurt?
Yeah.
No, it didn't hurt.
Yeah.
No, she was just trying to touch you.
No.
Oh, Iris. Oh, Chloe. You're 2.5 going on 12. I love you, sleepyhead. I love you, Tappy Feet. Oh, my girls.